What's good with y'all? It's your boy TQ and we are back with another video, man. If you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is very much appreciated. So as you can see, I want to go in by kind of stretching the hair out with my fingers and getting it prepared for the shears. My client, he is getting a mullet. So what I'm doing here is I'm basically getting the hair prepared to get cut down with I think I went down with a 4 guard. Kind of trimmed a little bit off the back as well. So you know, a mullet, you know, it's more hair on the back as opposed to the top of the hair. So I'm just getting everything prepared. We're trimming everything down to the same length though, and then he's gonna let that back grow out more than the top. So right here, we're just getting everything down to the same length, getting everything even, and just fading it on the sides.
Man, nigga, they talking my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more hair than the tumor. And I got friends I can prove it, yeah. I got a rich nigga getting on the plumber. She think it's something got to do with my mama.
So once we get everything trimmed down to a desirable length, we go in with that number 4 guard, and I'm just getting everything even. And then after that, we'll start that fade process.
All my dogs, found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so paid. Move them bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, I'm in prison, straight out of the trenches, the niggas can't win.
So my client is getting the mullet style cut. And with mullets, they usually have more hair on the back as opposed to the top of the hair. But this time, since he's just starting out, we're gonna start low and then he's gonna work his way up. So we're gonna focus more on the top when he comes back and let the back just grow. Continuously trimming the top half of his hair with a 4 guard and just letting that back grow out. So this is just a start. So it's gonna be even this time.
I tried to fight temptation.
So right here, I take my Bablish trimmers and I'm just making that first ball guideline in a rainbow shape. So we're just getting everything knocked off and getting prepared for the second guideline.
Oh, that's nuts, Mullet.
I left my yard filled in 50s, didn't remember my back cards. I really wish bro was with me.
So next up, I create my second guideline using the no guard open, and I'm just scooping out. Basically, so I could have went in and debulked with a 1.5 before I even did my guidelines, but I just went ahead and did it a different way. There's plenty of ways you could do a mid taper, but I just decided to do it in this fashion. So with my 1 guard open, I'm doing the exact same thing, just scooping out basically right before you hit that parietal ridge.
White more like Nigel Farage. I scream fuck first cause I've been harassed. I was on Eagle, bros, I'm hard. What do you mean they won't take cash in Van Cleef? And then it has a bug cut harass. Come on, the hood's too hot. It's a first class flight to Accra.
And lastly, I take my 1.5 because I still seen a little bit of bulk kind of hanging down over that blend. So I'm just trying to make it cleaner by debulking right above those guidelines.
Lad, like how you don't feel embarrassed. Badly looking on Nicki Minaj. Probably got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there on something.
Once I establish my guidelines, I kind of work my way down. So I take that half guard and I'm taking out that 3rd guideline I created and just working my way down.
Are you on your way?
And then next up, I take I forgot to mention, I use my half guard close. And now I'm switching over to no guard close and taking out that 1st guideline I created.
Is my secret safe? Safe with just you.
So for this last guideline that we're trying to take out, I'm more so utilizing the corners of my blade to kind of break that line up and blend it in. You don't want to create another guideline, so that's why it's important to use the corners of the blade. So I'm basically doing the same thing that I did on the other side to this side. So I just went ahead and sped it up. You guys enjoy this time lapse.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property on our minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. My niggas can't with me, yeah, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga I was on six, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other kids came with it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, yeah, yeah, yeah. Count up the hundreds, I promise some patience. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She get more hit than a tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah, yeah, yeah. I got a rich nigga, no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama. While I can't love her like she needs me. That's what you get when you think of a marriage.
So he's also getting the edge up in the front. So I want to go in with a one guard, and I'm just knocking down that front lineup. I'm getting it prepared for the edge up.
We get paid, we so paid. Move them bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, then move on. I'm in prison, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. The niggas came with me, yeah, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga I was on six, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other kids came with it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation.
So I noticed that the one guard didn't take off as much hair as I would like. So I went ahead and put my half guard on, and I knocked down a little bit more hair than what it was before.
That what you get when you niggas delusion. I remember when they thought I was average. Now I wake up and
So I go in with my Gots to Be spritz, and just like I said, I'm just getting everything prepared for the lineup. This is gonna have the hair freeze in place, so when I hit it with the trimmers, it won't be no moving going on. It's gonna knock off everything that's in place and everything that's in the way.
That's nuts, Mullet.
I left my yard filled with 50s, didn't remember my back card. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be a up tryna diss me. He was in an interview room singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a walad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Babdi looking on Nicki Minaj. Plug I got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there on something. He did a sauna and a massage. You know me, I kick back and manage. Sent them even rash and afford that day. I was feeling like Van Hal. It's a struggle to talk about drills. When you're factual, I can get nicked and end up cancelled. So I'd rather go uptown and spray a little deal savage. I was upside giving out pictures, done it so much, could've turned to a collage. They fucked with the budge but love the white more like Nigel Farage. I scream fuck first cause I've been harassed. I was on Eagle, bros on mad. What do you mean they won't take cash in Van Cleef? And then they have the boy come harass. Come on, the hood's too hot. It's a first class flight to Accra. Why they wanna put boiled egg in my salad? I left my yard filled with 50s, didn't remember my back card. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be a up tryna diss me. He was in an interview room singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a walad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Babdi looking on Nicki Minaj. Plus I got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there on something. He did a soul.
So once I get the foundation of the edge up done, I want to go back and kind of make it pop a little bit more. I'm using my Temptation spray. So I'm using my clutch card to kind of get all the angles that I want and make everything sharp. So next up, I take my white pencil. If I were to use a beige pencil, it wouldn't really come out or really pop on his skin. So I went ahead and used that white pencil because that's the only thing that's really gonna pop. So we go ahead and apply that. I don't go all the way because I want it to look as natural as possible. So I just kind of stay on one side more than going all the way through into the middle of his head and then connecting it from the other side to the middle of the head. You know what I'm saying? I just want to make it look as natural as it possibly can.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property on our minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga hops on six, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get KB, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, top gun.
So I take my razor and I'm kind of bringing everything back to the lineup. Like I said, I want to make it look as natural as possible. So we're just trying to achieve that goal and just make everything look smooth as it possibly can.
Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my swag cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more hair than a tumor. And I got face I can prove it, yeah, yeah. I got real rich and they get no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she need me. That's what you get when you think of a marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on a bad bitch. Got me saying it's so hard, it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs found them locked up in the cage. We get paid.
So as you can see, man, my boy came in looking a little homeless. I'm not even gonna lie, man. But we put him back in the game because I do this, man. Your boy TQ puts him back in the game and in good hands, just like State Farm. And you see my boy came out looking like Rico Suave. You know he on the females tonight, man. You know he on it. He ain't never had a cut like this, man. Ever. But if you mess with this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, we out.
Car full of bullets, ain't finding no shooter. That what you get when you niggas